Hi guys, I'm attorney Karen Barrios.
And I'm attorney Jorge Verguez.
And today we have some really great news for immigration. So the Biden administration came out and extended what is the process of parole in place. And what does this mean practically? This will affect people who enter the U.S. without a visa or without inspection. So prior to this change, people who came in without a visa or inspection, and if they were married to a U.S. citizen, they had to do a very long process called consular process. They had to ask for the provisional waiver that now currently is taking more than 4 years. So this is going to come and shorten the time. And the greatest benefit, I would say, for people in this situation is that now they don't have to leave to do the interview to their home country. They could do it here in the U.S., and that is why it's called parole in place.
Yeah, it's a great program. So what are the requirements? You got to show a few things. Number one, you got to show that you came in without being inspected, like Karen said. You got to show that you are married to a United States citizen spouse. You also got to show, number three, that you have no criminal record. And number four, you got to show that you've had continuous presence inside of the country for at least 10 years since June 17, 2024.
So if you're in the process, even if you're waiting for that provisional waiver or you're waiting to leave to do that final interview, it is a good time to speak to an immigration attorney to see your options.